Hi everybody, my name is Luke. I'm a technician here at Midland Honda, and I just finished going through the safety for this 2018 Honda Civic, and I'm just going to show you what we were looking at. Okay, so I like to start from the top, work my way down. So I'm just going to show you the actual fenders and door panels and all, just to make sure that everything is okay. There's no scratches, there's no dings, not even any rust spots, which there are none on this vehicle. It's in great shape. Okay, under the hood, we have the 1.5 liter engine. We changed the oil, top up your brake fluid, your washer fluid, your power steering fluid. We changed your air filter as well as the one inside, the cabin filter. Your wipers are all changed up, and we took it around, make sure there's no leaks in or around the engine, no coolant or oil leaks at this time. And also checked your battery. Your battery's still in great shape. So we'll move on to brake, steering, and suspension. Okay, so these are your front brakes. We did do a front and rear service on all of your brakes to make sure everything's sliding really great. Your sliders and your pads are moving everything great. The shocks and the links, they're all, there's no signs of wear. They're not leaking. The springs are in great shape. The idler arms are in good condition. All the gaskets, everything is all in good shape under here. So it's fantastic. Okay, so now we're at the bottom, and I like to take my time here. So now I just make sure that all of the exhaust, the brake lines, the bottom parts of the suspension are all in good shape. I'm just going to show you what we're looking at. There's not a lot of rust on your exhaust. The bottom part of your lower control arms are in good shape, as well as the rear springs and shocks, and also links. So you just make a look along here. Your brake lines and your fuel lines, they're all still brand new, all the way up to the engine mudguard. So all in all, great shape. The tires are the Firestone tires, and they have still 7 mil tread left. So, and they're in immaculate condition. Your rims have no gouges. There's no scratches or anything on any one of the 4 rims. So, good to go. Alrighty. So that's it for the 2018 Civic. The last thing I had to perform was a 4-wheel alignment, just to make sure the steering wheel is straight for anybody who wants to take this thing for a drive. So come on down whenever you'd like. This car is good to go for you.